Hey guys, it's Tuesday.
You know what that means? We eat tacos! Ah! Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel, Smif and Laly. Of course, I'm Smif, and today we did our Tuesday taco test a little bit different for you. So instead of going out to a random spot and trying it out, today what I wanted to do was share one of my favorite recipes with you, and that's my Mexican spaghetti, or taco spaghetti, whatever you want to call it, whatever floats your boat. Alright y'all, so like I said, for today's Taco Tuesday test, we're going to do something different. We eat tacos, but this time we're going to be eating my famous taco spaghetti. Yeah, so I'm going to show you all about how to make this. My kids love it. It's a delightful little dish, and I think you'll love it too. So stay tuned to the end. Alright, so I'm going to add a little salsa to the meat. Then we're going to put a little bit of water, just a little bit, to kind of, sauce it up. Because we're going to use this as our spaghetti sauce. Alright, so we have our sauce cooking. Look at that, got some nice color. You saw those nice chunks of tomatoes and peppers, chili. See that texture? Look at that. Y'all see that? Get a good look at that. Alright, so that's my salsa. We don't do big spice, y'all already know that. So that's mild, okay? So now I'm gonna leave that there, let that simmer for a little. As you see, I'm just gonna take this cilantro here, I'm just gonna drop that in there. Just throw it in there any kind of way, move it around the rings. I like the stems because that's where it's a lot of the flavor at right there, okay? I'm just gonna throw that in there. Got my tomatoes, this is what I like to do to them, so let's drop those in there, just like that. It's almost like a really pretty salad, huh? Okay, it fits a little bit easier. Now when I cut the onions up, this is all I did to it, just kind of sliced them a little bit like this. So we're going to drop those straight up in there too. Check out how beautiful these avocados are. They're ready to go, yeah. I got my limes ready.
And we got lime juice in there, so yeah. Put the lime in. See that? I like it limey, yeah, baby. Alright.
So like I said, we take what's left of our lime. We're going to go ahead, put that right in the water, okay? This is going to be for our spaghetti. We're going to put that in the water, okay? Alright, so like I said, we're also going to take some salt. Just going to put that right in there. So lime, salt, and we're going to take a little bit of this, garlic powder. All that right into the water, okay? Garlic powder in there. Like it garlicky. Now we're going to take our Lary's garlic salt. Okay. And sprinkle that all in there. We're going to next take some of the avocado. We're going to peel the skin off. Okay. Once we peel the skin, we're going to put it in there, okay? So nice handful of your pasta. You want to just go ahead and drop that in there. And then we're going to get us a pasta spoon here. Alright, so we're just going to stir that in, okay? Don't worry about the lime. Obviously, you're not going to eat it, but you're going to just stir it in. Okay, let your noodles cook, you know? Look at that. Look at that yummy guac, 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 guac. Now, I don't put jalapenos in my guac because, like I said, as for me and my wife, we're not really big fans of the super spicy stuff, okay? Ooh-wee. Look at that. And that, ladies and gentlemen, is what I like to call my famous Mexican spaghetti or taco spaghetti, whatever you want to call it. So you got your spaghetti at the bottom. You got some layers of the tri-colored tortilla strips in there. But we top it with the hot salsa underneath there. You can see it. I made sure to come around this end and leave a little out so you can see it. Then we top it with lettuce, some nice green lettuce, some Oaxaca, wherever you say that Mexican cheese is delicious. Got our guac in there. And we added some more of the cold salsa. Now you can add whipped cream, not whipped cream. You can add sour cream if you like. Some people do. All right, so the way to enjoy this is just go ahead and get right up in here. You make a mess. You mix everything all together. Want some chips and guac? You want some? Here you go. Once you start around, it may not be the prettiest thing. I mean, it does look pretty festive, but it's super good. Like I said, it's really good with sour cream, but I didn't have any sour cream. Forgot to get some. But here we go. Let's give it a shot. Let's see. All right, here we go. Off camera for you guys. Hidden. Now, some people, and I've done this in the past, and you certainly can do so yourself. Some people like to just go ahead and get the taco seasoning pack, rip that open. Boom, that's all you need. Mix it in with your ground beef, with your beef as you normally would, and you're ready to rock. Me personally, I wanted to season it myself. So if you want to use my seasoning, I'll put it in the descriptions below. But basically what I used was a little bit of cumin, a little bit of oregano, obviously some salt and some pepper. I used a little bit of onion powder and some garlic powder as well. Okay. Oh, sorry. I also used some smoked paprika and some chili powder. Okay, chili powder. All right, now this recipe is something that I made up for my children. Wow, probably about 10 years ago. No, it wasn't something that I Googled or looked up. It was just like, you know what? I want to try something different. They like spaghetti tacos. Well, I was like, what if we had taco spaghetti? So infusing the spaghetti with the lime, that's a touch. I like the lime and cilantro flavor in the Mexican food. I like a lot of Mexican food that has that little combination. That's why I like street tacos. You hit it with the lime, hit it with some cilantro. All right, so you don't have to do that if you don't want to. I recommend it. It's not overpowering. It's not at all, because you squeeze most of the juice out of the lime first, and then you just kind of infuse your pasta with it. So it has a nice little flavor to it. Then you put a little bit of garlic salt, a little garlic powder, excuse me, and a little bit of regular, like table salt if that's what you want to do. Or you can use garlic salt, it's up to you. My children love this recipe. My wife loves the recipe. I think it's a really good recipe. I would love for you to try it out for yourself. And if you do, come back. Let me know in the comments. Did you try it? How did you like it? Did your family like it? Did you share it with anybody? I would love to know. Like I said, you can do it with or without sour cream. I personally like it with the sour cream. I like Taco Supremes from Taco Bell. So if you like Taco Supreme with sour cream, then you probably would like that too. I just didn't have any. Not gonna lie. I thought I had some, didn't buy any. Got home, found out I did. Okay? But you can definitely do it with that, and it's really good. You can swap the cheese out for cheddar cheese if you want to use cheddar cheese instead of the white Mexican cheese that I used. But there's different ways you can tweak it and make it your own. I've done it in the past where I crumbled up tortilla chips, and instead of using the strips, I've done that in the past. It worked out just fine for me as well. If you don't want to make your own guac, you can certainly buy your own guac. Some people like it a little chunkier than others. Some people like it spicy. You know us, we don't do spice like that. So I skipped the jalapenos, all right? But I do want to thank you for watching the video. I hope that you like the recipe. I hope you get to give it a shot. And I also hope, if you haven't done so already, you please go ahead and click that subscribe button. Also click notifications so that way you know when the next time we post a video, because we're getting really close. We're like one video away from reaching our 100th video. Okay, and I want to celebrate that with you, and you celebrate with me, okay? And if you haven't already subscribed, please click on the subscribe button. We're very close to our 150th subscriber as well. All right, y'all, that's going to do it for me. I want to thank you for tuning in. I appreciate you. And hey, just do me one favor. Be inspired. Be inspirational. Be. Peace.